on, guys? Alright, for this video I want to discuss the downside of using InVideo AI. So if you are a content creator that is making a lot of reels and videos, you're going to burn through your InVideo AI credits. They do have a free plan, but that's not going to last long. And then you're going to have, you can choose the $20 a month plan, and that one, even with that, I think if you're making about 2 to 3 reels a day, if you're trying to be consistent, because many of you are trying to get monetized, so which we could talk about in another video, but there's different ways of monetization. That's why you always see like everyone, either selling merchandise or courses or something like that, because there's just other ways to get monetized besides the views. So, but basically, if you're going to be running through videos and creating a lot of content, then you're going to burn through your minutes. Where in that sense, a few videos ago, we messed around with Pictory, and Pictory is way better for that, but the downside of Pictory rather is they don't have a free version. So once you activate your email and you use Pictory, you will have 14 days to get to play with it. Basically, after the 14 days are up, if you want to mess with it again for free, you're gonna have to use another email. Basically, then you're gonna have a bunch of emails with like Pictory, whatever, you know what I'm saying. But their cheapest plan is $200. It's $20 a month with 200 hours of video, whereas this, I believe, InVideo is only 50 hours for $20 a month. So you're gonna burn through your videos a lot faster in InVideo than you would in Pictory. But InVideo has a free version that you can just use whenever, until that's up. So in that, when you compare that, like those two aspects of each one, like Pictory blows InVideo out of the water, so in my opinion, InVideo needs to change that, because I'm seeing a lot of promotion for InVideo right now online. So I just felt like, I just wanted to run through that real quick. And also, I mean, the videos that it does come up with, like, they are really good, but so are Pictory's videos, like, really good too. So, and also, like, if you wanted to change something, you can with both platforms. I'm gonna play this little clip real quick. I'm gonna mute it like quarter way through, because it does tend to it will echo. So I just made this one real quick with InVideo. I told it to make me a little short, like nature thing, talking about the earth, and basically I use Google Gemini to give me ideas for like earth type content, and then I just put that into the InVideo AI generator, and then it took that and then made its own thing. So yeah, we're gonna give it a quick listen, a quick view, and let's check it out.
Why do 90% of nature lovers dream of visiting every corner of the earth? Because our planet is nothing short of a celestial masterpiece. Picture this: the towering peaks of the Himalayas standing tall like nature's own skyscrapers, or the serene depths of the ocean, a hidden world brimming with life and secrets, from lush rainforests teeming with vibrant species to arid deserts that stretch out like golden tapestries.
See, that's really good. Some of the stuff that you can come up with on InVideo AI is really cool. I am seeing a lot more of these types of videos on Instagram and TikTok and pages, because you could basically just create your own theme page around this stuff. I don't know why they put a beer there. So anyways, real quick, I did want to show you guys that, and that'd be probably the perfect time to do it. So go here, go to edit, here, take the beer out, and here I'm going to replace it with this. This is a little clip that I took from Pexels. In Pexels, you can get some amazing footage for free. It's like the best. You know, you can tip the artist that uploaded the videos, which I think it is worth it. They come in like 916. They come in different sizes. So it's really, really awesome. You could just pretty much just go in here, you type in whatever you were looking for, videos, images, whatever, and then it just pops it right out. Like, it gives you a bunch of, you know, for the most part, a bunch of pages that you could just choose from. But let's go back to this. So where the beer was, it should be replaced now. I don't know why. That's what I got from Pexels. So go back.
It's a testament to nature's extraordinary creativity.
Way better.
And a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things. And let's not forget the fragile beauty of it all, these breathtaking landscapes.
I would replace the one right after that one too. Like, I don't know why they put a deck there, but whatever. You know what I'm saying? So I would just go here to here, and then say I wanted to. This looks like a 916. Yeah, we'll just do that real quick. We'll download that. Yeah, and then we're gonna go back here. We're gonna go here. Edit. We're going to go to upload media. The last thing that I uploaded was that. This one. Alright. Just gonna upload that, and then I'm gonna click this. And when that is done uploading, we're going to replace that with the one I just grabbed. So we're gonna do this here, and simply you just click it and it replaces it. And you just apply changes, and boom. And also the Pexel stuff does not have watermarks, which is awesome. We're gonna go back here. I'll go a little further back. So all this is still Storyblok stuff.
It's a testament to nature's extraordinary.
Okay, that's the one I uploaded first from Pexels, and look at that, much better, much better. See this little iStock thing right here? That's all. I mean, really, there's a lot of stuff you could just take from Pexels. But regardless, see, this is the thing though. Regardless, even if you don't use some of this, some of these like video clips from here, it's still gonna charge you video minutes. So yeah, that kind of sucks. Like, even if you don't use them, you know, which yeah, that does suck because it charges you the video minutes to your plan. So if you really just wanted to do it by yourself, we're gonna do a video in the future, near future, where you can just do things yourself. Just use Pexels here. You could use Speechify. You could just download, or you could just straight up use CapCut. But for example, let's check out Speechify.
Hi, my name is Solly. I am an English voice from the United States.
Hi, my name is Natalie. I am an English voice from the United States.
So there's like a lot of tools that you can use to get really cool, really awesome sounding AI voices. On this one, you can even use celebrities. So that can get pretty crazy. And you could also clone your voice, just like you can on InVideo. InVideo, you can clone your voice if you wanted to. Here, we're gonna go back here. But basically, I think that's about it. The next one I wanted to dive a little bit into Midjourney. We're gonna mess with that a little bit. But yeah, I just really wanted to run through the pros and cons of InVideo AI. But if you, like I said, if you wanted to make your own, which I think we will soon, it's gonna be more work, but you could just use CapCut. You can use, and I recommend just paying for the monthly subscription with CapCut because it's not really that expensive. It's like think it's like $8 or something like that, and it's so worth it especially if you're like editing videos and making content and stuff. CapCut, Pexels, yeah, we're gonna do one straight from scratch, just using CapCut and Pexels. Another one that I use to make to edit my videos is HitFilm Express, which we will dive into at a later date. But for now, I just wanted to give a quick rundown on InVideo and touch on the pros of Pictory, but also the cons of Pictory. So yeah, I think that's it for this one. Didn't want to make this one too long. And yeah, I'm gonna come back with another one this week. We're just playing around with Midjourney in that one. Alright, see ya in the next one. Later.